So we will do your debrief now.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. PIQ में first we will start with PIQ.
Yes, sir.
When you fill up PIQ, please understand जो first page है ना?
Yes.
If you see the most of the information which are written on first page, your father, your mother, your schools and everything,
Yes, sir.
है ना? This is basically that part of life जिसपे आपका ज़्यादा control नहीं है.
Yes, sir.
And you can't decide your parents.
Yes, sir.
And based on the income and parents and your birthplace, most likely your schools and everything will be decided. ठीक है.
Yes.
So first page से जब तुम second page में when you move,
Yes, sir.
है ना, second page is about basically कि आप कहीं भी पैदा हुए हो, लेकिन पैदा होने के बाद में आपने अपने आप को क्या बनाया,
Yes, sir.
कहाँ पैदा हुए और आपने आप को कैसे कन्वर्ट किया. Because the second page has about participation in games.
Yes, sir.
The participating in games does not depend where you're born.
Yes.
All right, and to which parents are you born, isn't
Yes,
it? Similarly, extracurricular activities, it is also in your hand.
Yes, sir.
So the first page का जो information लिख रहे हो, that is not in your hand, but the information which you are writing on second page,
Yes, sir.
it is in your hand.
Yes.
So in order to have a good PIQ, you need to participate in different things so that you have exposure in your life. At the same time, you have number of things to to quote in the second page.
Yes, sir.
Okay, which you already have. तुम volleyball खेलते हो, है ना?
Yes.
What is this?
Boxing.
Boxing, football and volleyball. ठीक है. House in the school, first in boxing, first in football. Where were you first?
Sir, in school, inter-house
School.
boxing competition.
In
Inter-house boxing competition.
लिखने की कोशिश करो, है ना?
Okay, sir.
First
So the
in
place
school.
is very.
तो थोड़ा छोटा करके लिखो,
Okay, sir.
है ना? So that की clarity request करो. First in boxing, first in state or national level or state level, what level, है ना?
Yes, sir.
It is not sufficient. So write it little small,
Yes.
छोटा करके, but complete clarification देना. ठीक है. Declamation, speech, okay. Inter-house जैसे इसमें लिखा हुआ है, inter-house debate competition,
Yes, sir.
है ना? या तो यहाँ लिखो या यहाँ लिखो.
Yes.
So that की 1 year and achievements,
Sir, not as in no.
but you participated.
Yes, sir.
Okay, team ने कुछ जीता था.
No, sir. It is all about individual.
It is all about individual. ठीक है. So any other activity you had been doing in school, anything, any plantation activity, any house
Yes, sir.
activity, क्या?
Sir, in trade competition.
जोर से बोलो.
Trade competition, sir.
Which competition?
Drill competition.
Drill competition. Write that.
Yes, sir. But
And-
sir, there is no
हाँ, बोलो.
place to write.
नहीं, you are writing too much. See, आप देखो एक ही इससे इतना भर दिया. छोटा छोटा लिखो इसको थोड़ा सा,
Yes, sir.
है ना? तो जो भी आपने एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिव ड्रिल कंपटीशन में पार्टिसिपेट किया, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ ड्रिल कंपटीशन वाज दैट?
Sir, it is inter-house drill competition.
इंटर हाउस ड्रिल. राइट दैट.
Yes, sir.
इसको छोटा लिखो. देखो, आई कैन राइट इट इंटर हाउस डिक्लेमेशन कंपटीशन. इसके नीचे छोटा सा ड्रिल, इंटर हाउस ड्रिल कंपटीशन. एनीथिंग एल्स यू पार्टिसिपेटेड इन?
Sir, it's cross country.
Cross country. What kind of cross country was that?
Sir, it is also same the inter-house cross
Inter-
country.
So why don't you write all these things?
Yes, sir.
You need to write. See, the IO and the psychologist will see your PIQ.
Yes.
Okay, they will read you through PIQ, particularly the psychologist. He does
Yes,
not
sir.
meet you anytime.
Yes.
So he will read you through your PIQ only. अगर आप अपनी information ही अधूरी देंगे, तो there will be, I will not be able to correlate certain things in the while assessment.
Okay, sir.
So take care that you write each achievement. If you feel there is a less space, ask for the paper from the board.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can I get little bit extra sheet? फिर stapler लेके इस पे stapler कर दे.
Okay, sir.
Alright?
Yes,
So do that. एक ही लिखा हुआ, 3 तो तुमने मुझे बता दिए नहीं लिखे हुए इसमें,
Yes.
है ना? So it is very important to write information in PI.
Yes.
It is very important to declare yourself कि this is I am. I was born at this place. I have made myself from that to this.
Yes.
And through these are the activities in which I have participated and groomed myself. You are declaring, है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Signature है तुम्हारे नीचे. Based on this declaration, I will probably assess your TET, WET and everything.
Yes.
So declare properly. Half declaration नहीं करते. Alright? Thank you.